guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing and I've got like a lot of people here. It's actually Saturday. I don't normally film when there are other people in the house. I don't know. I feel kind of awkward about it, I guess, but you can see everyone in the background. Say hi, guys. Hi. So there's Amelia and Aaron and Aubrey is playing with the baby. Anyway, the reason that I'm filming this right now is because yesterday I went to my P.O. box and I hadn't picked up anything from my P.O. box in close to a month because I lost my P.O. box key. So I'd been looking everywhere for it. I talked to them at the post office and they said I just needed to get a new one. And so I went and did that yesterday and I had a ton of packages there waiting for me. So I thought I would just film an unboxing and show you guys what I got. I don't know what is in most of these packages, so we're gonna be surprised together. Aubrey wouldn't let me wait to film it because she wants to know what I got too, because sometimes she gets some of my stuff if I have more than I need. And she saw this giant package, which is from Pixie, and her and I are both super curious what's in here. So let's get into the unboxing. All right, in case I didn't already mention it, everything here is PR. So at my post office, the only packages I get there is stuff that was sent to me for PR. Sometimes I get packages from you guys. I don't think I have any subscriber mail today. I think this is all PR. So let's start with this big Pixie package since I already showed it to you guys and it's huge. I'm just gonna cut it open real quick. Okay, that was hard to open. Whew. This is really awkward because it's so big. Let me hold it up though. It's got this really pretty like logo on the front here. Looks like makeup this time. I'm excited. They send me a lot of, well, they sent me probably half and half, makeup and skincare, but I'm excited. I really like their makeup that I've tried so far. So this says Pixie Pretties on it. It was a box inside a box. Ooh, oh goodness. Okay, can I zoom you guys out? Let me see if I can. Yeah, I can a little bit. So it's a bunch of different collaborations with some influencers, it looks like. So I recognize a couple of them, but not all of them. So Rach Loves, I really like her channel. She's got a really good channel. And then I know Chloe Morello down here. But there's also one from Heart Defensin. And then there's one here from Jen Cho. Did I say that right? Jen Cha? I don't know how to say that. And Miriam, not even going to try to say her last name. You guys can read it because I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyways, it's a bunch of different influencer collaborations. So it's all kinds of different stuff. Like this one here is the one with Rach Loves and it's like a eye and face palette, but there's some lip products, there's some little sets. These ones with the Miriam collab are like little sets. So lots of different makeup to try out. I'm super excited about that. So thank you so much to Pixie for sending this to me. They are so generous, honestly, with their PR. I'm always blown away with what they send me. So super excited to try these guys. The next package is a very mysterious package. Aubrey and I were looking at this trying to figure out who it's from. Okay, so yeah, this looks very mysterious. I'm not sure who it's from. So we're gonna just pop it open and find out what's inside here. Ooh, yay. I always save this stuff for repackaging my shipments. That was a really big box for a really tiny package. Okay, so in that big box was this little guy here. This is a hand cream. I did actually get this through Octoly, and it's called the Citrus Crush Hand Cream from Illume. It smells amazing. I can smell it through the packaging. It smells really good, so I'm excited to try that out. All right, we had to take a quick break because Amelia wanted to eat real quick, and Aubrey is joining me now because I'm holding Amelia, and I can't cut stuff open while I'm holding the baby. So I'm gonna hand her packages, and we're gonna keep going. I don't know what any of these are. They don't really say who they're from, so I'm just gonna hand them over, and we'll find out. Oh, I'm excited about this. Okay, it's a palette from Lancome. Whoa. And the packaging got a little beat up because they just had it in a bubble mailer, but it's their Monsieur Big 12 Shades of Love palette. Look at this palette. It's like a giant heart. How cute is that? It kind of looks like a box of chocolates for Valentine's Day. Look how pretty those colors are. I'm actually really excited about this. These are colors I wear a lot, so I can't wait to play around with that guy. This is actually, I think, brand new on Sephora's website. Okay, let's see what is next. And by the way, this one did come through Octoly. I did apply for this campaign. All right, next up we have a YSL lipstick, and this is one of their Rouge oil in stick lipsticks. Let's pop this out and see what shade that is. Oh my gosh, I love their packaging, it's so pretty. The shade is Rose. No, I can't read it, it's too tiny. Oh, baby girl. Oh, it's Nude. The shade is Nude, yay. I always love a good nude lipstick. So actually it does look like a rosy nude. Are you okay, baby? Amelia is teething, so she's a little fussy. But that is a swatch. It's like a rosy nude color. It looks really pretty, nice and sheer. So I will definitely get some use out of that guy. Say hi, Amelia. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so next is a shampoo. This is from Color Proof Evolved Color. So it's like a color safe shampoo. I'm not sure, I think it's a shampoo. Anyways, it's from the brand Color Proof Evolved Color Hair, right? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, that's what it looks like. I will test it out. It does have kind of a weird scent to it. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of, how would you describe that? Almost minty, kind of.
Yeah, it's like,
it's got like kind of a minty eucalyptus scent. Oh, I know what this is. I forgot this was coming. So this is a subscription box called Joa Box. So this one is supposed to be like a Korean beauty, so like Korean skincare box, and I cannot remember the cost of it. So I'll put the information in the description box with how much it costs. It is a monthly subscription, but cool. It smells really good in here. Let's see what came in my box. So I got it says Sally's Box Friendly Collagen Eye Patches. And I think it's just one set, it looks like. All right, and then this is from a brand Origin. It's not Origins with the S at the end like Sephora carries. This one just is Origin. And it's the Moist Relief Cream. It says it's a daily skincare with safe and natural formula for moisturizing and brightening. So, moisturizer. And then it also came with a sheet mask. This one says
brightening.
It's a brightening mask, but the name of it is I'm Sorry for My Skin. That's interesting. Weird catchphrase to put on a sheet mask. Okay, I'm not sure how I feel about that one. Okay, and then next is this here from W Lab. It's called the Sebum Out. Sebum. How do you say that?
Sebum.
Sebum. It sounds weird when I say it. Anyway, it's a deep cleansing stick. So yeah, there's that guy there. And the last thing that was in this box is a satin fit. It looks like an eyeshadow. Nothing's in English, so I can't read it, but it does look like a single eyeshadow in kind of a shimmery champagne color. So let's read real quick on this little cheat sheet. It tells us what everything is. So that was a satin fit eyeshadow from Etude House. Okay, and that one is $5.50. The whitening mask or brightening mask, this guy, was $2 value. That's the name of the brand, I'm Sorry for My Skin. That's a very odd name for a skincare brand. I don't know why that just seems strange to me. And then this guy here, the deep cleansing stick, doesn't have a retail value on this guy, so I'm not sure what that one is. Oh, the cleansing stick, oh, that was $18, sorry. Yes, that last one, that was an $18 value. The Origin Moisture Cream says there's a $33 value, and the eye patches a $3 value. So quite a bit of value. Again, I can't remember the cost of this box. By the way, in case you're wondering, Erin came and took the baby because she was starting to fuss. All right, next up I have another Lancome product. This came from Octoly as well. This is the Mademoiselle Plays lipstick. Number 232 is the shade. And let me pop it out. This is what the outside bullet looks like. I really like Lancome's packaging. I think it's beautiful. This looks exactly like the lipstick I got from YSL. It's like the same color. Doesn't that look like the same color? It's basically the exact same color. But this formula feels a little more creamy, whereas the Lancome one has more of an oily base. The YSL one is a little more of an oily base. All right, just a couple packages left. I'm trying to kind of rush through this. I don't want this video to be too long. All right, another YSL lipstick. I think this one came from Octoly as well. This is their Plump in Color lipsticks, and I got the shade Nude in this one as well. So this, I think, is a plumping lipstick. The packaging is similar to the first one. Oh, that's cute. It has a little like black heart in the center. That's super cute. And it looks almost like the exact same shade again. They're all like a sheer, this one has a nice scent. They're all kind of a sheer color, but this one is a little bit more pink compared to the last two were more rosy. Next up, I got a package from Fresh through Octoly again. This is one of their sugar lip balms, and it is a limited edition one. It's called Sugar in the City. And I love the formula on these. They're so good. But this one is kind of a dark rosy color, but of course they're sheer because it's a tinted balm, but that'll be beautiful for this time of year, kind of a berry color. All right, and that does have an SPF of 15. And last but not least, I have my BoxyCharm here. So this is the October BoxyCharm. I'm super late unboxing it since, again, haven't checked my box in so long, so it's been a while. So you guys have probably seen this already if you watch anybody else's unboxings. But I'll just show you what I got in mine real quick because sometimes there are different variations. Oh, cool. So I got from Touch in Soul. I've tried a few things from this brand. I like everything I've tried so far. This is their Glassy Skin Balm. So I think it's supposed to be like a primer. The packaging is gorgeous. That's really pretty. So definitely we'll try that out. It looks like I got a lip gloss as well from Iconic London, and it's a nice nude lip gloss. That's super pretty. Next is a lip pencil, and this is from Jaunt Blue. I think we've either gotten a lip pencil or an eyeliner from this brand previously, and I know I did not like it. I can't remember if it was a lip pencil or a liner though. Either way, I know I didn't like it, so I probably won't use that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! You guys, I'm so excited about this. I got a Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is their Baked Browns palette. I have been wanting to try these eyeshadow palettes for ages. I actually had the mauve one on my wish list, but I really wanted to try any of them, so I will definitely get some use out of this. And that's what it looks like inside. It's just a neutral palette, but I've heard really good things about the formula on this palette, so I'm excited about that. All right, and the last thing that came in my box is from Paula's Choice. That's exciting. I have never seen Paula's Choice in any subscription boxes before. This is the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I really like this product. I have gone through one of these before, so I will definitely use that as well. So of this box, I'm definitely most excited for the last two items, but I definitely will still get use out of these two, I think. The Jaunt Blue liner I will probably set aside for a future giveaway. But that is everything that I had to unbox today. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little PR unboxing. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. If you want to see any reviews on any of the products I showed you in today's video, make sure to let me know about that as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!